Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we have a run glitch to talk about. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now first of all, Dollar General has been absolutely on fire this week with the deals. So your girls already uploaded a bunch of other DG videos. We have 5 off 25s for all week long. We have a huge glitch list. Plus, we have tons of amazing coupon matchups and sales going on, as well as new clearance markdowns and a penny list. So, if you have missed out on any of those videos, make sure that you go and check them out. They're all going to be linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time because they are simply just that. They are a glitch in the system. So, it is very important when you are in the store to scan each and every item with your Dollar General app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store. And also don't forget that the deals are in the details. So please watch the videos all the way through. It helps me and it helps you and it helps me help you. So watch the videos all the way through. If you need to speed it up or slow it down, you can click up in the top right hand corner of the screen, go down to your settings, click on playback speed, and you can speed it up or slow it down from there. But either way, please watch the video all the way through. That way you don't miss out on any important details. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and talk about this run glitch deal. Now it is very, very early in the morning. This deal just showed up on our accounts. And unfortunately, Dollar General is not a 24-hour store, so they have not opened up their doors just yet. But I can confirm that this deal will work as a pickup order. Now, I'm going to Dollar General at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I'm going to try this out at the register, and I will leave you guys some updates in the pinned comment, all right? And I will probably make a post about it on the community tab as well. But there's a few different things that I'm going to be trying out this morning at Dollar General, so make sure that you all stay tuned. Make sure that you all have those notifications turned on, and I will let you all know if this deal will work at the registers. I'm going to try it at an old register and at self-checkout, so hopefully that will give us kind of a feel of what exactly is going on. But it is definitely working as a pickup order. I have already put a couple of orders in for this morning. So if you guys want to wait and see if this works at the register for me in store, you guys can definitely do that. If you want to go ahead and put it in as a pickup order though, please keep in mind that pickup orders can be canceled for any reason at all. If the employees don't want to fool with it, they can cancel it and you'll get a little notification that your order has been canceled. Now on our last pickup order glitch, I believe it was on the cereal, I learned something new, and that is when you go to put in your pickup order, it is going to make you select a time and a date that you're going to pick up the items. But you do not have to wait until that time frame to pick up your order. In fact, during our last pickup glitch, I told you guys I go into the store, I grab my items off of the shelf, I take them up to the front for the employees. That way all they have to do is check their little handheld, scan my items, and my order is good to go. And I even timed it for us last time, so while I was in the store, I placed my order. It took about 15 minutes for her to receive it on her handheld device. We scanned the items. All in all, it took about 20 minutes for the whole process. Alright, now let's go ahead and take a look at the items that you're going to be picking up with this run glitch deal. So for this one, we are going to be taking a look at the Snuggle products. Now we do have 3 different price points. Some items are priced at $4.50. Some Snuggle items are priced at $4, and some are priced at $3.95. So here are 3 examples of the different items and the price points, but again, there are other items included in this glitch, okay? Now, this morning, we received a new digital coupon on our account. It is for $3.45 off of 2 Snuggle products, but the coupon's a little bit wonky. It also says 2 for $5, any Snuggle liquid. And then right below, we also have a sale 2 for $5 on select Snuggle items. So as soon as I saw that, I knew that something funky would be going on with this deal. So what you want to do is go into your app, pick out 2 Snuggle products and add them to your cart. You're going to have 2 deals that will apply, both the coupon and the offer, even though they're kind of the same thing. I'm not quite sure what's going on with that, but we're going to take it because this is going to be an amazing deal. Now here I have added 2 of the $3.95 Snuggle liquid fabric softeners. Regular price $7.90. After both deals have been applied, it is taking off a total of $5.80, leaving me paying $2.10 for 2. Now, if you want to pick up the ones that are priced at $4 each, that is going to put you at regular price $8. But after that coupon and the sale, whatever's going on has been applied, that's going to leave you paying $2 for both items, making those just $1 each. But this deal gets even better because if you want to pick up the Snuggle products that are priced at $4.50, and again, there are other ones that you can choose from, pick up 2 of those. Regular price, that's going to put you at $9, but after the coupon and the sale, that is going to leave you paying $1 for both items, making those just 50 cents each. Alright guys, so there is your run glitch deal. Now again, I do not know if this is going to work at the registers or not, but I will be trying that out first thing this morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I will post updates in the pinned comment right underneath this video as well as over on the community tab, so be on the lookout for that. Now, if this glitch does work at the register, I thought, you know what, why don't we throw it in with the $5 off $25 scenario and get a super low out-of-pocket deal. So if the deal works at the register, here is another deal that I plan on doing today, but again, this does depend on whether or not the Snuggle glitch works at the registers. All right, but I wanted to go ahead and share this with you all because I thought, hey, let's throw this in with a $5 off $25 and get a super low out-of-pocket deal. If it works at the registers, here's the scenario that I'm going to try. 2 of the Snuggle on sale, 2 for $5. 1 of the Tide liquid laundry detergents at $5.50. 1 of the Bounce dryer sheets at $2. 1 Downy fabric softener at $5. 1 of the Air Wick warmers for $4. 1 Always Discreet liner for $3.25. 1 of the Oral-B toothbrushes for $1, and 1 of the Vicks 20 count cough drops for $1. That's going to put our subtotal at $26.75. And here's a list of all the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. But again, keep in mind that if that Snuggle glitch works at the register, our out of pocket may be a little bit lower. But going by this math right here, after coupons, that's going to leave me paying $2.39 for 9 items, making each one just 25 cents each. But again, this all depends on how that Snuggle glitch acts at the register. So y'all make sure that you stay tuned and I will update you all ASAP. Now also early this morning we did receive a new digital coupon on our account for when you spend $40 on select P&G products, you're going to get back a $10 coupon on your account. So you know your girl's going to be out there trying out a few different things, so y'all make sure that you stay tuned. And before you go, make sure that you do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, that way you don't miss out on any awesome deals like this one right here. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day and I will see you on the next one.